Want to manage projects like a pro without years of experience? In this video, we'll walk you through a 7-day crash course. Whether you're leading a team or launching your own venture, this method will help you stay organized, efficient, and on top of your game. Day 1. Understanding the basics. Every successful project starts with a clear understanding of what needs to be done. Day 1 is all about setting the foundation. Define your project goal and objectives. Identify key stakeholders. Who benefits from this project? Set a realistic deadline and budget. Imagine you're organizing a community fundraiser. Your goal: raise $10,000 in 30 days. Your stakeholders: donors, volunteers, and local businesses. Get this step right, and you're already ahead. Day 2. Planning like a pro. Planning is where the magic happens. Today, you'll break your project into smaller, manageable tasks. List all tasks needed to complete the project. Assign responsibilities to team members. Create a simple timeline using a Gantt chart or Kanban board. If you're planning a fundraising event, your tasks might include securing a venue, marketing, and reaching out to sponsors. Use tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com to stay organized. Day 3. Building your dream team. A project is only as strong as its team. On Day 3, focus on assembling the right people for the job. Define roles clearly. Who does what? Set communication channels like Slack, email, or Zoom. Establish a system for regular check-ins. Even if you're working solo, you can collaborate with freelancers or use automation tools to lighten the load. Day 4. Executing with precision. Day 4 is go time. Execution is where you put your plans into action. Follow the plan and stick to deadlines. Use daily or weekly progress tracking. Adapt to changes without losing focus. If unexpected delays happen, don't panic. Adjust and move forward strategically. Day 5. Monitoring progress and managing risks. On Day 5, keep a close eye on progress. Spot problems early before they derail your project. Track key performance indicators, KPIs. Identify risks and prepare solutions. Keep stakeholders informed. If you notice low-ticket sales for your fundraiser, tweak your marketing strategy before it's too late. Day 6. Handling challenges and team motivation. Every project faces roadblocks. The key is to handle them like a pro. Keep morale high with positive leadership. Resolve conflicts quickly and fairly. Stay flexible. Adjust timelines if needed. Happy teams work better. Recognize achievements, even small ones. Day 7. Wrapping up and delivering results. Day 7. You made it. Now it's time to wrap up and showcase results. Review completed tasks. Did you meet your goals? Collect feedback for future improvements. Celebrate your success and document lessons learned. Every project teaches valuable lessons. Keep refining your skills, and soon you'll be managing projects effortlessly. Want to dive deeper? Get the book, How to Manage Projects Like a Pro in 7 Days, and start managing projects like an expert today. Find download details in description below. Like, share, and subscribe for more expert project management tips.